Hey guys, Ben here, and today we're going to be going over how to install an alternator on your car. More specifically, a Subaru SVX, because that's what I have. And it's not really relevant because there's less than 1,000 of these in the United States, but I'm sure you'll get the point. Okay, we're going to start by grabbing our trusty golf club and getting this in position. And right there is the culprit, so that right there is what we are going to replace. So, I'm going to start by taking off this bolt right here, and this bolt right here, and we should get this plastic cover off. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is loosen the belt. And as you can see there is a bolt assembly that is allowing this to tighten. So first you need to loosen the pulley bolt, and then you could loosen the actual tightener. Now as you can see, as I'm taking the bolt out, the belt is getting looser and looser, and eventually we're going to be able to slip it off the alternator. And there we go. Now the belt is off. As you can see on the alternator, we have these two bolts that are holding it on, and we have a plug and a ground right here, and then we should be able to take it off just like that. So we're going to start by removing this bolt, and then this bolt, and this bracket's going to come off, and then we'll be able to remove the alternator. It's better now.
Now this following clip is a good reminder to always unplug your battery when you're working on an alternator. I'm just going to let it roll.
Gosh dang, okay.
So on that note, always unplug your battery when you're working on your alternator.
Okay, it started raining, so everything's wet, but here's our new alternator. And I would like to add that you could take your old alternator into the auto parts store, and they'll pay you, $40 for the old part. So let's get this opened. Alright, I'm going to set this in place. Get this out of the way.
So for the most part, reassembling this, it's going to come back together pretty much exactly how you took it off, and there's not really anything special in this process.
Alright, well, the job is done, and those of you who may have caught the fact that I didn't put the bracket and the cover back on, well, that's because the cover was missing a whole bunch of mounting points, and I think it looks better without it anyways, so I didn't reinstall the bracket and the cover. So thank you for watching, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.